Everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Mint Mobile Cricket no signal in 2026. So here's a solution for your mobile data and calls not working. Fix 1. Turn your phone off and back on. Turn your phone off, wait for around 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full power cycle, not just locking the screen, is what actually clears the stuck connection. So make sure you select power off rather than just restarting from a quick menu. Fix to remove and reinsert your SIM card. If you have a physical SIM card, remove and reinsert it. This re registers your phone on the mobile network. Never delete or try to remove your eSIM the same way. eSIMs are handled differently from physical SIM cards. Fix 3. Toggle your eSIM off and on. Since you can't physically remove an eSIM, try turning it off and back on instead. This setting is typically found under your phone's cellular or mobile network settings listed by carrier name, which is the Mint Mobile. Fix 4. Check the coverage map. Refer to Mint's coverage map to determine the coverage strength in your area. If you are in a rural area, deep inside a building, or even underground, your signal strength might be reduced or even cut off entirely. Fix 5. Confirm airplane mode is off. Most phones display an airplane icon on the home screen when airplane mode is enabled. If it's already off, toggle it on for a few seconds and back off. This forces a fresh network search rather than just confirming the current state. Fix 6. Update your phone software. Not using the latest software update on your phone can affect your service. Connect to Wi Fi before updating, since a weak cellular connection can interrupt the download. Fix 7. Turn off Wi Fi calling. Wi Fi calling may, in some cases, interfere with your service if the Wi Fi signal isn't strong. Turn it off and attempt to connect using cellular only to see if that resolves the issue. Fix 9. Contact Mint support. Call Mint's care team at 800-683-7392 if you continue to experience issues after all the fixes. You can also chat with Mint Mobile at mintmobile.com/chat. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.